Ayun! So nice ko kayong welcome again sa Malyn's Kitchen! Now, I'm back to share with you my recipe for our New Year's Eve. One of my recipe that I would like to share with you is roast beef with cream of mushroom. It's a la Malyn's Kitchen na mapapanood nyo lang dito sa ating channel. So guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mga friends, don't forget to please click like and subscribe button. Thank you! For 2021 sa lubong namin, we have food like lechon belly. Yun daw yung isa sa mga maswerte. Top 5 na food is lechon belly. Next is noodles, pampahaba ng buhay. Like yung niluto ko na baked spaghetti with meatballs. And we also need fruits na mga bilog-bilog. Sabi nga ng mga ating nakakatanda sa ating pamahiin, we need 13 fruits na bilog for prosperity. And we also have a prosperity bowl. Kailangan din natin ng mga manalagkit para dikit-dikit din daw ang swerte. Ayan. So, yan po ang ating mga tips. Kailangan din po natin ng steamed fish. Pag nag-steam kayo ng fish, kailangan daw buo. Para buong-buo din daw yung wealth na darating sa inyo. Ewan ko kung gaano katotoo yun. Pero dahil masunurin ako sa pamahiin, walang masama. Gagawin natin dahil healthy naman itong ating mga share ngayon ng mga recipes. Okay guys, so alam nyo na, umpisahan na natin ang ating pagluluto. So let's start with, I'd like to tell you my recipes, my ingredients. We need, of course, garlic and onions, mushroom for the sauce, and broccoli for our vegetable. And of course, we need meat, beef meat. Ito yung part ng meat ng beef na napaka-tender. I'm using my Salad Master Oil Core Escalade. We have timer, so we can use timer. There's also a temperature here. So, napakadali lang po. Kahit dito sa loob ng bahay, pwedeng gamitin. So, let's start. I preheated this at 230 degrees Celsius. Let's go! We need 2 slices of butter. So, itong aking beef. Ayan. Pinre-cook ko na siya for about 30 minutes. Para medyo malambot na siya. So, at first, we need to simmer it in our butter. Originally, ang mga roast beef talaga, pinapakuluan siya ng buo. Pinahul. Pero ako, bumili ako, pinaslice ko na since hindi ako bumili mag-slice. So, pinaslice ko na lang siya and then binlanch ko sa water na may laurel para mabango and pepper. So, takpan lang natin siya for about 10 minutes. Ready na yung beef natin. I have to remove already because you don't need to overcook it. Kasi nagiging mas matigas siya kapag overcook. So, yun yung iwasan natin. So, 10 minutes lang natin siya niluto. Sinimmer lang natin siya sa butter. Mushroom. Cream of mushroom. Bango, naamoy diba? Init, diba? And we need our Nestle cream para mas creamy. Ganun lang siya kabilis. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to prepare roast beef with cream of mushroom and a bunch of healthy broccoli. Pinch of salt and pepper siya, bonggang-bongga na ang ating dinner. So, let's wait until mag-brown siya and maging creamy. Tatakpan ko muna siya. We'll let it simmer for 5 minutes. Ayan, so nag-click na ang ating bacon bulb. So it means our sauce is almost ready. Tada! Let's add a little soy sauce para maging brown siya. And mix it. It's creamy na guys and smells good. So ito ang ating electric oil spur skillet guys. Kung gusto niyo malaman, I'd like to share with you lang. This is a multi-purpose cooker. So you can cook, you can saute, you can bake. Anything under the sun. Lahat na gusto mong lutuin, maluluto mo. Kahit saan, dadalhin mo siya. It's very portable. So we're almost ready. Ang purpose nitong cream of mushroom sauce is to balance the taste. Kasi medyo salty yung ating roast beef. Tsaka para hindi masyadong dry ang ating roast beef. So let's start our garnishing using our mushroom sauce. So guys, we have our finished product. It's roast beef with cream and mushroom and broccoli. So it's time to taste it. Come. This is my daughter Ayesha, Yani, and Isabel. Yani, come with me. Yani. It's time to taste it, guys. Sweet if it's yummy. Okay. Taste it. So everybody can taste it. Spoon. Oh, now you can taste it. A small one.
I'm scared.
Is it yummy? Oh, it's your turn.
Look wants me.
Here we go.
Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy.
So hot. How about Tita Ana? Tita Ana, come here. My sponsor. Ate Princess.
Ikaw po. For tasting test.
Princess. Taste it with mushrooms. Sino pang tinikim?
I want to taste.
Oh, guys. Ano? Sino pang may gusto?
Ako.
Okay. Sarap?
Tinidor ko pa.
Ito. Oh, tikman nyo na.
I want to taste too.
Want to taste more? Okay. Titikman natin kay Tita Mama. Huli mo pati yung mushroom.
Is that yummy?
Is it yummy?